Yeah, make
10 things that you can do while it's raining outside, like it is today. Right. Number 1. You can do your pretty makeup. Makeup's everywhere.
Take that.
Number 2. Do your fabulous nails. Oh, look at that. Number 3. You can curl your hair.
Or just do it.
Hi guys, finished doing our fabulous hair. Number 4. Make limb bands. Fabulous. Number 5. As I said, number 5. Make
Memory books.
pictures. Oh. So, yeah, we gotta do, get some coloured paper, get pictures, print them out,
Stick them on the paper.
Stick them.
Number 6. Practice drawing fabulous smiley faces and things.
Or
And
just
practice
draw.
your bubble writing.
Subscribe. Crazy Glow 234. Number 7. Make video stars. Check ours out.
Yeah, I'll tell
It's on this channel,
Yes.
probably below, or something, or
Somewhere.
or here, or here.
Number 8. Make a YouTube account.
Yeah. Because they're fun. Woo! And get people to subscribe and make loads of videos like we are.
But don't buy your subscribers. That just means you're a bad YouTuber. Don't buy them.
Number 9. Mix and match clothes.
And pick out your outfit for
Like
tomorrow.
my unicorn t-shirt.
And my boss lady t-shirt.
Yep.
And finally, number 10. Make YouTube videos.
Like we are.
Yeah.
Because it's
so
fun to
fun.
do when you're bored. And you can
It's
make
raining.
videos like this and do like your hair, your makeup, your whatever. and-
Shoe collection.
Yeah. You can just...
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.